Talofa lava, and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we will be teaching you 10 Sefulu basic Samoan phrases. Oops. So our first basic Samoan phrase is talofa. Talofa means hello. Our second Samoan phrase, basic Samoan phrase, is oa mai oi. Oa mai oi. This means, how are you? So our third basic Samoan phrase is linked to the phrase we just did. So if you get asked, how are you, you would reply, manuia whawhetai, manuia whawhetai. Good, thank you. Our next basic Samoan phrase is one that you could use anywhere, anytime. It's just a single word. Fa'amole mole, fa'amole mole, please. So this Samoan phrase that we're about, basic Samoan phrase that we're about to teach you is whawhetai, whawhetai. Thank you. So thank you, it can be used anytime, and it's actually really great manners. Whawhetai. We would like to interrupt this basic Samoan phrases video so that we can tell you it is brought to you today by Measina clothing and gifts. We take everyday clothing and gifts. We combine traditional Samoan motifs and words and modernize them and put them onto t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, so that we can wear Samoan, represent Samoa in our everyday lives. So here we have the awa te popole, which means don't worry, and then it says oa'u Samoa, oa'u ole Samoa, awa te popole oa'u ole Samoa. So don't worry, I'm Samoan. And here we have our stainless steel travel mug, which says kalofai, and kalofai is a term that we use when it could be something bad happened. We would say, oh, kalofai sikenge, she fell over. Or it could be something that you just wanted to make fun of. She just fell over, so you're right. Kalofai, you know. So yes, Measina clothing and gifts. The link is in the description if you would like to purchase and support Samoan businesses. Our next basic Samoan phrase that you can learn is toi whai loai. Toi whai loai. Toi whai loai means see you again, and often used to say goodbye. So toi whai loai, goodbye, or I'll see you again. Our next basic Samoan phrase is one that you use, you're actually taught it quite young. It is too low. Too low. So when you're walking in front of people, you say too low. It's like, excuse me. And when you're passing things over people, which you probably shouldn't do, you should go around, but if you ever pass something in front of a person, you'd say too low. Yeah, sorry for interrupting, excuse me, too low. Our next basic Samoan phrase. So if someone's just asked you what your name is, and you'd reply with olo'u ingoa, or, and in my case I'd say moena, you'd say olo'u ingoa, or my name is, and then you'd replace moena with whatever your name is. So that again, olo'u ingoa, or, and then you say your name. And that is, my name is Moena, or my name is Nigel. Sorry, that's my dishwasher exposure if you hear that. If you were going to the coffee shop and you would ask for a coffee, you would ask how much is the coffee, or you might ask how much is the coffee. So you would say e fia le tau, e fia le tau, how much. We are up to phrase number 10 in our basic Samoan phrases. So phrase number 10 is ua e malamalama, ua e malamalama. Do you understand? Do you understand? Ua e malamalama. Whawhitai te lava for joining us here on our YouTube channel. We ask that you show your support by giving this video a like or subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more of our videos. Just to test you, to see if you are paying attention. In the comments, can you tell me what whaamolemole means? What is the English word for whaamolemole? Tell us in the comments down below. Again, whawhitai te lava and tō whāsoifua.